everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today's video is about makeup that is £5 and under, and if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's chat now. Let's start with the brows. So this was the Revolution, I think it doesn't have a name, it's just a brow pencil in the shade dark brown. I used this for a while now and it's quite nice. It's soft, applies smoothly, and is definitely under £5. Okay, the next is the concealer. This is a go to me for every time I need it. It dries matte. It's the one that actually from a lot of concealers I tried that doesn't crease, and I'm not going along with actually more hydrating concealers, so this is actually perfect for me. Now the eyeshadow base. I heard that this can actually be a dupe for the Pillowy's eyeshadow base. I never tried that one to be honest, but this goes well with me. I mean, whenever I try it on a eyeshadow, it always dries out. It remains a bit tacky, but it dries out nicely. If you blend it really well, and when you have like some creases, I think this is perfect, and it's under £5 or £5 something. Now my favorite part is the eyeshadow, and this is from the Reloaded category, I think. So I have a few of these, but I never tried this one specifically, so it's just gorgeous. It's actually exactly £5 and it's so pigmented. I mean, I don't know, you can see it's really gorgeous. And yeah, I recommend this one, to be honest, even if I tried it for the first time. Let me wipe my fingers first. Okay, moving on is the primer that I use actually from Essence. It's really nice. This is a hydrating primer. Usually I use a pore blurring primer. I can't talk today again. And this is perfect for winter for me. I mean, I have a drier skin now, so yeah, it's really good. Body Collection. This foundation is actually a hydrating type of foundation, and it says Illuminating Liquid Foundation, and it's light to medium buildable coverage. Yeah, it's a really nice one. It blends well, goes well with a brush and also with a beauty sponge. Now onto the powder. I have this one from MUA, and it's called Pro Base Full Coverage, and it's matte pressed powder. Well, this is a bit interesting because when I apply it on my face, it has like a sheen, but it's not really visible, so it's not matte. I don't know if you can actually see it. You can't see it on the camera, but it definitely has some coverage, and it goes really well over all over your face. It has like a silky, slippery touch when you apply it, and on the fingers as well. But I like it, and it's again under £5. One of my favorite blushes are actually from Essence. It has a really gorgeous color. As you can see, it's more, I'm not really into pinky colors on my cheeks, so this is really nice. This is the shade Bespoke, and again under £5. For contouring, I went with the collection one, and this is actually the Contour Kit Highlight and Sculpt. To be honest, the highlighter on this one is not really for me because I like a really pop-up type of highlighter, and this is more like I don't know, it has a sheen or just a bit of a sparkle. It's quite light, like for somebody that actually wants more like a natural look. But the contour shade is really nice. It's not too warm, it's not too dark or gray. As I can see, already hit pan, so yeah, I like this one a lot. Okay, so my favorite highlighter is actually from Primark, and it's PS Pink Diamond highlighter powder, and this is how it looks. It actually has like different shades. This one is the lighter, this one is pinker, and like a champagne one, and it's really pigmented, and I love it. Okay, moving on. I think I forgot a few more things about the eyes. I have the mascara from Essence. It's quite nice. I think it's a bit clumpy for me, and as you can see, it grips a lot of product on the brush, and I always have to do this so I can actually get it on my lash. but it's a nice mascara. The formula is nice, so if this doesn't bother you, that's fine. Also, moving on to the eyeliner, which I'm a bit disappointed, and this is from Technic Skinny Liner. It has a felt tip. I always keep it, you know, down so the ink comes into the tip, but it just doesn't work. I mean, it works on your hand and then eventually like interrupts. It's just, I had a struggle actually to make these wings with this, so to be honest, I don't really recommend this. I think I just need to look better to find another eyeliner that's actually £5 or under, and yeah, don't really like that one. But anyway, for the lips, I have as a lip liner, this is again from Primark. I think Primark lately had really nice products, I mean for makeup. This lip liner is in the shade Taupe. It's a really pinky nude one. And for a lipstick, I actually have the Revolution and Soft collaboration. This collaboration actually is really good. I mean, all Soft's products are so good. And this is the shade Cake. I mean, it's lovely. I'm not really into matte lipsticks or matte liquid lipsticks, and this one is creamy and really nice and hydrating, so I don't know, maybe it's because of age, I don't know, but I really like this one. And lately, before I forget, it's actually the eyelashes I have on right now. These are from Amazon, and this whole pack was less than £5, so it's really worth it. They are nice, they are comfortable, they're quite fluffy, and yeah. So what do you guys think about this makeup look? Do you think all of these products actually can work for you? 90% of them are actually, I like them and I will recommend them, but just let me know, what do you think about it? Did you ever try it? Did you ever bought any of this? Are you disappointed with one of the products? Just let me know. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support your girl. I'll see you next time. Bye!